welcome back to my channel for a new kind of video. Today is actually my very first giveaway, along with a DIY on how to make this little thing right here. I'll actually show a picture of the one that I'm giving away. So I actually made two of these guys, and I figured a nice little like 500 subscriber gift was to give one of them away. You can like twin out with me. I actually wanted to make a keychain of these. They're little Plumbobs, just I don't know, to hang off of my mic as I talk. I just thought it was kind of cute to just, you know, start doing that. In this video, I'll show you how to make one of these, and if you don't want to make one, just go ahead and enter in my giveaway. I will have the necessities on how to win one of these bad boys that I made in, like, at the end of this video. So let's just hop right into it. Alright, to start off, you're gonna need some green clay, some green glitter, some glue to get the glitter onto your Plumbob, some pliers, and for the keychain itself, you're gonna need 2 small jump rings, 1 larger jump ring, and a clip. Also, you'll need an eye pin. So you're gonna start out by rolling your clay into a ball, and then once it's actually rolled into that ball, you'll start shaping it. Now, this is actually the hardest part of the whole project itself. You have to just kind of shape it into the Plumbob that you want. I am not gonna lie, it took me a little bit to get that shape down, but once you've got it there, you are good to go. This isn't the Plumbob shape that I actually ended with, but this was the only footage I had of putting an eye pin in that was actually not blurry. So this is how you do that. You just stick it right into the middle until it goes out to the end, and it should be long enough to where it stays in the end. Once the eye pin is inside, you're good to go to bake it. So just preheat it to 275 and then bake for 15 minutes per 1/4 inch.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so they're all baked and ready to go, and now is time for the fun part, the glitter. So just take a plastic bag, sprinkle some of your green glitter in there, and then go ahead and spray your Plumbob with the spray that you've got. And then you just like shake and bake with chicken. You just put it in there and you just shake, shake, shake until it is all covered in the glitter. Once it has dried and it's ready to go, go ahead and take your pliers and your jump rings and start putting them on. So you're going to want to put the smaller jump rings on first and just connect them to the eye pin, and then take the larger one and attach that to those, and then you go ahead and attach the clip as well. So you just kind of unscrew it with the pliers and then tighten them back up with the pliers again, and then you're pretty much good to go. It's kind of straightforward. Oof, okay, so that's it for the DIY, but if you want to enter to win this guy, which is basically the exact same one that I have right here, and be my little twin, that would be amazing. And it's not perfect, obviously. I mean, I molded it out of clay, but it was made with a lot of love and with you guys in my mind. So if you want to enter the giveaway to win this guy, which I will personally send to you in the mail, what you're gonna need to do is subscribe to me. This is for my little boos. So definitely subscribe, and then also give this video a like, and just kind of give me a comment down below just letting me know that you went ahead and did that, and I will auto-generate the winner. So that's basically all there is to it, and if you end up winning, I will send you a message in where you will send me the address or P.O. box to which I should send this little bad boy to. So I really hope that you guys all enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry my nails are gross in it. I've been having nail meltdowns all week, so. But anyways, if you really enjoyed this video, please give me a like anyways. That would really make my day. And yeah, I suppose that is it for me. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves. Mwah.